crack, welcome back, it's Mr. Dan, and we are here with another lesson today, lesson 9 of Beginner's Ulster Irish with Dan. So we're talking about the weather today. How is the weather? This is going to add loads of new words into your word bank, so make sure you're writing them down somewhere. G'day Marata and Hampshire. G'day Marata and Hampshire. How is the weather? And Hampshire, good morning. And Hampshire, good morning. And Hampshire, good bra. And Hampshire, good bra. And Hampshire, go Hulk. And Hampshire, go Hulk. So you notice, I haven't gave you the translations for those. I'll put them up on the overlays on the screen. But G'day Marata too. Tell me go moy. Tell me go bra. Tell me go Hulk. G'day Marata and Hampshire. Go moy. Go bra. Go Hulk. So go moy, good. Go bra, fine. Go Hulk, bad. That's usually all you need to describe the weather here anyway. It's either good, it's okay, or it's bad. But I've got loads of those Yanks and people from New Zealand and Germany and all watching now, so I've got to give them a wee bit more. Occasionally we have a wonder day. And I'm sure Galanta. The weather is beautiful. Talabran. It's a fine day. Usually for us it's not a fine day though. Tadrocklan. It's a bad day. Taché fur. It's cold. Taché che. It's warm or it's hot. If it's warm or it's hot, you can also say it's a nice day. Taché jas in you. It's a nice day. Taché fluck. It's wet. It is wet. For fuck's sake. So the opposite of wet is dry. Taché term. Taché churum. It's dry. You could also add ainta to a lot of things to show extremes, so like very. Taché ainta fur. It's very cold. And again, taché ainta che. It's very warm. And one very befitting for this island. Taché ainta fluck. It's very wet. So definitely practice that last one. Taché ainta fluck. So that's quite a bit for you to digest there. Obviously, you only need to take out the things that apply to here. But it's good to practice them all anyway. Like I said, in case you're on holiday or something. Because it's definitely very, very rarely a beautiful day or a hot day here. But if you've been following along with the lessons, we know how to say hello, goodbye, please, and thank you. We know how to ask, how are you? We know how to ask about the weather. We know how to ask where you're from. And also where you're living. So that'll make for one really good conversation. I thought as a reward for all your great learning, if you're still here with me right now, 4 minutes into this video, let's do a little bit of practice. Giadich. Gias Muradich. Gay Martatu. Hami go moy and you. Jeremy Ogat. August to him. Go moy and you. Jeremy Ogat. And I'm sure Galanta. Finish. Ashe Cherum. Slan.